Hi, this is Attorney Mike Grevin coming to you from Chicago as usual, and today we've got a fun one.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
I intended to leave Judge Middleton's call alone, but I got a bunch of messages on this one. We're going to do a little something we call Wild Court Moments. Let's do it.
All right, well, stay right where you are. This is Judge Middleton. I'm here at the court. We're going to start with Allison Osmick. She has two cases set for today. File 212122 is a possession of marijuana case, and file 212121 is open intoxicants in a motor vehicle in the city of Three Rivers. Mr. Barnes is here for the city of Three Rivers. Miss Osmick, where are you?
I am at a hotel.
In what town?
Kalamazoo.
All right. You were supposed to show up yesterday in person for your sentencing.
I got my days mixed up. I swore that today was the 8th.
Frankie is officially skeptical.
All right. Well, you were supposed to be here live and in person yesterday on your methamphetamine charge and your dog at large charge. You didn't show up. We also checked with your probation office in Allegan. There's an open warrant for your arrest.
Yeah, I called that yesterday. That was because of court.
All right. And I have one fraction of an inch from doing a warrant for your arrest. You were supposed to be here yesterday live and in person.
I know, and I understand. I got my days mixed up. I just had a lot.
All right, well, so then you got a free pass when the...
Well, we've got John Barnes here as the prosecutor, and I have to say, at this point in the proceedings, I'm really missing Deborah because I'm having a hard time stomaching anything this defendant is saying, and I need the eye roll for the affirmation. John has got a nice poker face, and he's quiet throughout. He seems like a sharp guy, but it's just not quite the same.
The clerk didn't know to tell you to be here physically. So you've got these two new cases. You've got an attorney in your other case, Christine Yancey. She was concerned. She hadn't heard from you, didn't know where you were, and we found out that your PO in Van Buren has a warrant for your arrest. So on the two new cases, I'm going to show you're pleading not guilty.
Yes.
This is all while you're on bond and on probation. You're alleged to be out driving around with open beer in your car while you're on a drug probation in Van Buren and while you're on a felony bond here in St.
That was just in my car. That was just
Hang on, stop.
Yeah, it was in your car. That was the charge. Open intoxicant in your car. That's what the judge said. Oh, Lord. And then meanwhile, the public defender here, God bless him, is, I don't know if he represents her or not, but just out of general principles is trying to help her. But he is doing everything he can do to get her to shut her pie hole, but she won't do it.
You're not going to help.
You're not. At this point, you're presumed to be innocent. I don't know about the marijuana. Apparently there was 10 ounces or something, quite a bit of it.
10 ounces? No.
Hang on. Ma'am.
Maybe I got my cases mixed up. Anyway, you're presumed to be innocent on these, but you need to come here to Centerville tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Why?
Okay. I might just have to live stream that.
Because you're going to get locked up.
What? Why?
For failing to appear for your sentencing yesterday. To say I got mixed up.
I totally got my case
We're
mixed up.
supposed to be here.
I don't want to lose my job. Come on.
Okay, John's kind of growing on me. While I still miss Deborah, he's just got a cold, unconvinced stare that's pretty good in its own way.
I want you to be. There's a warrant for your arrest right now in Van Buren.
I called them and got that handled. I don't want to lose my job now. Come on. This is all I got is my job right now. That's all I have.
All right,
I'm trying to get my life together. Like, I seriously tried to get my life together. And I just have all these bumps that are in the way, but I'm trying. I've been sober. I've been doing.
Yeah, the bumps in the way are you driving in a car with open intoxicants while on bond.
We good. Except for these kids.
Hang on. All right, we
I
shall
wanna
not
do good for my
guilty on
kids
both
and my-
cases. I'm going to appoint Attorney Christine Yancey.
I just want to get my life together.
Yeah, I think that's appropriate. Your life right now is off the rails.
Well, I'm trying. I just have these bumps. Like, seriously, I just thought that today was the 8th. I really...
Judge Middleton, king of understatement. I just love it. Don't forget to hit like. The boys would really appreciate it. Unless you have something against Frankie and Ollie.
I thought today was the 8th. I had it stuck in my head. I took the day off work, everything.
Well, you had some cases set for the 8th, and you have some cases set for the 9th.
Right.
So
But I took
you show up
yesterday,
on the 9th.
I took today off because I thought that it was the day I had to be in Centerville. Was
Well, then
today.
you can come to Centerville today if that'll work for you. Miss Yancey will be here.
Well, I don't want to lose my job and spend time in jail.
Yeah, no kidding.
I want to get my life together, not be
That's why you obey the law.
in jail.
Well, then stop getting arrested and charged and convicted.
I'm not. That was like a fluke thing. Like, I don't know what the heck happened there, but I am not doing.
She's currently got 4 cases pending, and she's on probation. And she has the temerity to say that a new charge is a fluke thing. I'm sorry. I feel bad for her. I do have empathy for her, but she is just not there. She is not taking responsibility. She's not being honest.
Anything like that anymore. I'm just been working and seeing my kids. That's all
Well,
I've been doing.
You have the dog at large case, which we were going to deal with yesterday. And then you have the...
Like, I got my dogs taken away.
Good for the dog. You obviously can't control your life. You certainly can't be in charge of other people. I fear for your child. I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, wish you the best, but you can't take care of the dog. I hope it's someplace being taken care of.
You have the methamphetamine charge, which was set for sentencing yesterday, and you were supposed to be here in person. So if you got your days mixed up, you would have been here today.
Yep.
I'll find out about what's going on with your warrant in Van Buren. Our probation talked to your probation, and they were not very happy with your circumstance. So far, you got charged with 2 more criminal offenses.
I bonded 2 more. What?
You were on probation in Van Buren. You got the methamphetamine charge. Then you got open intox and marijuana charge.
No, I wasn't
Okay.
on probation first. I got on probation because of the methamphetamine charge. Like, that was all one charge or one day, whatever.
When was the last time you talked to your lawyer?
Yeah, I called yesterday because I thought I had court today.
Well, did you speak to her?
I speak to her, whoever her assistant is, I believe, called me. Or I called them, but she called me back.
Or when's the last time you actually spoke to your lawyer?
I haven't since the court date, the original one. That's why I called yesterday, because I was wanting to talk to her before court today. And then she told me that it was yesterday.
Yes, and you were supposed to be here live and in person.
Right, I understand. I called her.
Well, you didn't show up live and in person.
I understand. I got my
Sentence
dates
for
mixed
December
up.
3rd. All right, well, here's the deal. You don't show up here by tomorrow at 9 o'clock, I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest for failing to appear for sentencing yesterday.
Am I coming
It's
in
not
just to go to
sufficient.
jail? Am I coming in
It's
to go
not
to
su-
jail?
I need to get you in here. You certainly deserve to go to jail for the cavalier attitude you
Why?
have.
I am trying to get my life together. I haven't done.
That is really awkward. The judge is bending over backwards to take her and not just issue a warrant for her right now. And then she's basically, so she's supposed to be in court. She was supposed to be in court the day before for a sentencing. And now she's basically saying, pre-tell me what the sentence is. He hasn't decided. He wants to help her, but she is just making this as difficult as possible. I imagine tomorrow you'll see some serious contrition if her attorney gets a hold of her in time.
Just the manager at Applebee's just didn't like me or something. I don't know, but
oh, that's the worst defense I've ever heard in my life. the manager at Applebee's didn't like me. What does that have to do with the price of tea in China?
I have not done anything wrong since I got in trouble. I'm trying to do right.
All right, your new case is set for December 3rd at 9 a.m.
Oh, that's my birthday.
Okay. Your other case, you're supposed to be here yesterday for sentencing on a felony methamphetamine charge. It was
I
reduced
got
to
knocked
a
down to a
misdemeanor.
usage, I thought. You knocked it down to a usage.
It is. It got reduced to a use. It started as a felony,
Okay.
and you're treating it like it's something not very important. And
No,
I
yes,
wanted-
I am. Yes, I am. I am.
I'm not going to argue with you anymore. You need to be here. You need to call your lawyer and make arrangements to be here by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning at the courthouse.
Well, am I going to jail? Because I need
Probably,
to
yeah.
do my
So you
word.
should make
Why? Why
arrangements.
do I need to go to jail? I'm trying to keep my job. Come on, sir.
All right.
Like,
What?
you would rather me lose my job and then go spend some time in jail?
I would rather that you treated your criminal charges with
I
respect.
am. That's why I keep calling.
And-
It's important.
Well, you're not treating it as very important. I'm also
I
going to find
am.
out
I
about.
really
Ma'am,
ask anybody. Ask
I'm
anybody.
gonna, ma'am, I'm
All
gonna,
right, listen,
I'm gonna
just a minute, just a minute. Miss Osmick, I know you're upset. You're extremely disrespectful. I'm the judge. I'm sitting here. Don't say anything. And you're calling me from a hotel room somewhere. You were physically supposed to be here yesterday.
I understand.
You got
I don't have a
arrested.
house right now.
I just told you to stop interrupting me.
I'm sorry.
You're so
I'm sorry.
disrespectful.
I'm sorry. I don't mean to.
But you need to be here with your lawyer, and you don't need to call and talk to her assistant. You need to show up on the day you're supposed to be here, and we're supposed to do the sentence. So you can tell me everything you want to tell me, but you need to be here tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Call your lawyer, Miss Yancey, and we'll find out about the warrant they have from Van Buren. All right, that didn't go very well. But she has a lawyer on her two new charges. So, John, your open intox and the marijuana charge are rolled into one. For some reason, maybe I got it mixed up with another case. I thought she had like 10 ounces of marijuana. On probation, 7th District Court, not to possess alcohol or consume marijuana. So that was a violation of her Van Buren probation last year. On October 16th. I guess my marijuana case must be a different one. Anyway, we'll see whether she's here tomorrow or not. It'd be helpful if people showed up when they were supposed to. Christine and Debbie and I were working on that case yesterday.
If she really had her days mixed up, she would be there today.
She
Right.
physically, so
I
We'll see.
disbelieve what she says.
Well, there you have it. What a train wreck of an appearance. That was just unbelievable. I really do feel for this woman. She clearly has a problem of some kind, but she cannot. She just can't calm down. She can't. She has no discipline. She couldn't let the judge speak when he told her to be quiet. She's not even at her court appearance. I don't know if she appreciates how much he's bending over backwards for her right there. Even though he's probably going to sentence her to jail tomorrow, she has that and more coming. It's time for her to have some consequences. She's not learning any other way. I'm not the judge. We'll see what he does. As long as I don't have a conflict, I'll live stream it tomorrow because I'm kind of interested in this case now. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.